Hey, if you are a gig worker, you have a side hustle, you want to pay attention to this. The IRS are coming for those who have a job but have do things on the side that make extra money. The IRS wants to cut. So what we're going to talk about is three things that we can do to not get in trouble with the IRS and save us some money. And this is going to come from a Finance Yahoo article. We'll pull that up here. And this is the title: The IRS is cracking down on the type of income earned by millions of people. Here's how to prevent a letter from Uncle Sam. And basically, what it goes through is it highlights that there's 27% of American workers have some sort of gig work, a side hustle. The median person earns about, on average, $200 a month. And so you might think that's too little to even worry about, but the IRS disagrees. In fact, because of the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, they can use even more and more tools at their disposal to add a tax bill for even that side work that you're doing. So if you're a freelancer, gig worker, you want to note these changes to avoid being in trouble with the IRS. Now, generally, if a lot of people say that the agency, the IRS, doesn't worry about side income less than $400 a year, but that's incorrect. They can come after even that little bit of money, and they can analyze the apps like Cash App, Zelle. They have expanded authorization to look at these things. So even if you didn't get a 1099 from that side work, they can still do their research and give you a tax bill for your side work. Now, physical cash transactions may be difficult to track if you don't use any of those apps to transfer money, but they can still look at your purchasing power and figure out that you're hiding some money from them. What can you do? You want to track everything. A simple ledger and accounting app can record all income and expenses for your side work. So that's number one. Second, report all income, even if it feels too small. You want to report it. That way you avoid getting in trouble with them. The accurate report doesn't just create a tax bill, it can save you money. So any business expenses related to your gig work can be used to offset the revenue. For example, it gives the example of an Uber driver. They earn $2,000 this year. They spend $1,000 on repairs, maintenance, and mileage. That seems kind of low, in my opinion. They must not have driven very often, because it's like 69 cents a mile that you can deduct if you're driving. But anyway, let's say in this example they said $1,000. That $1,000 deduction can offset that $2,000 taxable income. So you want to keep track of all your expenses and then separate your finances from your business and personal. Have a separate bank account or a separate credit card used for just business. If you do that, you could avoid being in trouble with the IRS. And there's a lot of things out there that you can use. I'll show you one that I like in particular. And let's share this tab here. Let me make sure I'm sharing it correctly. There we go. All right, let me show you what I've been using. The Cash Flow Manager. It is a product from the great company MyEcon. And it's an online cash flow management system that records, organizes, and stores all your business and personal transactions. It simplifies your income and taxable deductible business expenses so you could save time. It's safe and secure, tracks income and expenses. You can capture and store receipts online, preset customizable income and expense categories, so you can track multiple businesses on one account, and it's only $10.95 a month. You can try it free for a week. Let's look at this demo here.
Typical Americans lose about 1/3 of their income to taxes each year. But business owners can pay significantly less. Even if the business owner works the business part-time, he can qualify for hundreds of tax deductions which save him thousands of dollars annually. According to IRS regulations, business owners must keep good business records to qualify for the deductions. Unfortunately, many business owners do not have an efficient record-keeping system and lose thousands of dollars in deductions annually. The Cash Flow Manager is the solution. The Cash Flow Manager is an online software system that makes business tax record keeping simple and fast. The system was developed to simplify the expense tracking process, making it quick and easy to track valuable expenses and deductions, so you keep more of your earnings. To record expenses, you log into the system using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Choose the type of expense from the drop-down menu, type in the amount of the expense, who the expense was paid to, and what the expense paid for. Take a quick digital picture of the receipt using your smartphone, and the system automatically records, organizes, and stores the expense record by date and expense category. You will have no need for that box of receipts and no stress at tax time. The Cash Flow Manager also tracks income and mileage for business vehicles. Although the system has almost every imaginable income and expense category, it allows you to customize your own income and expense categories. Downloading and printing your business records is as easy as a click on your computer. The Cash Flow Manager is simply amazing for managing tax records, but you can do even more with the Cash Flow Manager Deluxe. The Cash Flow Manager Deluxe is an optional add-on which can empower you to create, evaluate, and implement advanced cash flow management strategies. Managing cash flow has never been as important as it is today. Job insecurity, the fading corporate pension system, and the constantly changing business environment is mandating that everyone manage cash flow properly to build personal financial security. Listen to what others are saying about the Cash Flow Manager.
As a busy real estate professional, tax season was always stressful and frustrating. After using the Cash Flow Manager, I'm in control. The stress level has dropped and my tax liability is much less.
I'm a tax professional and I recommend Cash Flow Manager to all of my clients. I recommend it to salespeople, marketers, insurance agents, and small business owners because it saves them money and time.
The Cash Flow Manager Deluxe has been a tremendous blessing to me. In the past 5 years, I used the software to save over $50,000 in taxes and eliminate over $120,000 in debt. The cash flow savings helped me to put an additional $75,000 in my investment account.
I'm a network marketer, and I heard about the tax advantages of a home-based business. I worked my business, but I kept more tax records. I still owed major taxes each year. I started using the Cash Flow Manager software. My record keeping improved, and my tax problems went away.
The Cash Flow Manager is simply amazing and essential for personal and business success. Try the system absolutely free for 7 days by clicking the Join Now button below.
So I'm going to put the link if you want to try that Cash Flow Manager and help simplify your record keeping. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so you can get access to that 7-day trial and $10.95. That's right in line or even less expensive than many record keeping apps out there. And it's an item that I personally use. So, hey, remember the 3 things. Report all income, keep good records, separate business and personal accounts. You do that, you keep the IRS off your back. You lose tools like the Cash Flow Manager, you'll keep the IRS off your back. You'll simplify your tax process and you'll save a lot of money in the process. Like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this, like it and share it with those who you think need to keep better records of their business. Appreciate you tuning in, and I'll holler at you later.